it's your boy, the original. For y'all, check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over Bitcoin. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy YON WORLD. Now today on my channel, I want to go over how to earn Bitcoin every single day in 2021. That's right, how to earn passive income through cryptocurrency every single day. I'm about to share a platform with y'all. You know, it's really an ecosystem that's about to get very popular once everybody realize what's going on. Now, Bitcoin is currently at $39,000 per coin. I made videos in the past explaining how Bitcoin is about to hit $100,000 this year in 2021, right? Now, anytime news like this comes out, you have to understand what's going on. You have to understand that there are new developments being made in cryptocurrency that's allowing people to make money, that's allowing businesses to put this in their infrastructure, right? So it's a lot of money being made in Bitcoin, and I just want to help y'all make some money on a solid platform. Now, this video is simply an introduction. I'm gonna make multiple other videos explaining exactly how this platform works, but I just want to introduce it to y'all so y'all can go and so y'all know about it early. It's January 7th, 2021. So y'all know about it early and y'all can do some research and begin to take advantage. So the platform which you can earn Bitcoin on every single day in 2021 is called Bankroll, right? Now, what this is a smart contract, right, on the Tron network. So in order to get in this contract, you have to be invited. I'm inviting y'all to this contract. Y'all can look up videos. There's multiple other content creators talking about this platform, but this is about to get big. You know, right now, the Banker network or the Bankroll network token is only at 18 cents. It's up 12% though. When I first saw it, it was so cheap to get in here. I think it was like 6 cents to get in here. But now it's 18 cents. It's growing, right? It's growing very fast. And I just want to explain how this works. So basically how it works is that whatever you deposit in here, you get 1% off of it every single day, right? It'll be deposited in the form of BNKRX tokens or BNKRX tokens, right? And these are the tokens from the Bankroll network, right? These tokens can get swapped, right, through a process through the exchange called SwapX. It can get swapped from BNKRX to Tron, right? And Tron can get transferred back from Tron into Bitcoin, right? It's a lot that you have to understand, right? This is really for people who can understand, like, you know, Bitcoin and understand how to trade and buy Bitcoin, right? You have to understand all of those basic things, and I'm going to make multiple videos explaining that. But this platform will allow you to make 1% off of whatever you deposit. So yesterday I deposited $450, right? My total deposits went up, you know, like the value of my deposits. And that's the thing, like, as the value of the BNKRX token goes up, the value of your deposit goes up. So right now I got 355 BNKRX tokens and it's worth $476, right? I made $1.92, right? $1.92, and this is ticking up. Like every couple minutes it goes up. It says my max payout, so from this deposit, right, I'm going to get paid out $1,200. You know, if I don't do anything, if I just cash out, I'm going to get paid out $1,200, you know, close to $1,300, right, within 365 days, right? Within 365 days of doing this, I'll get paid out. But what you want to do, you want to compound the interest. Like every time you see money here, you want to do what's called a roll, right? You want to roll it into the deposit, reinvest. You know, you reinvesting into the deposit, and then you get more back every day, right? So just to give you an example, if you invest $1,000, you'll be making $10 per day. $10,000, it'll be $100 per day. You know, $100,000, that's $1,000 per day. So that's how this contract works. And based on what I've been researching, is this contract will never drain. Like, it'll never end, based on like how the ecosystem is set up. Like, it's a real ecosystem. But I'm gonna make multiple other videos explaining this in further detail. But you will need Tron. You know, you have to buy Bitcoin. You can download what's called an atomic wallet. I have links in the description, but you can download an atomic wallet, buy Bitcoin, then you have to buy Tron, and you have to connect this TronLink. So it's a lot I have to go over with y'all, but I'm gonna make more videos about this. This is something y'all need to look into, though. This is something y'all do need to look into. So it's your boy YON World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. Peace.